What's going on, good people? Today we are going to do a special unboxing, a shoe that I've been waiting for quite some time. You've probably seen a lot of these already, but I'm gonna give you guys my version here. Fresh off the truck. You already see what it is. Bam. So what you see here is the Ma Maniere A logo. Outside of the box, other side of the box. Pull this bad boy out of here. Bam. Got the Jumpman logo with the white flight. You've got Ma Maniere on the top of the lid, and then you have this texture pattern on the bottom of the box. Contents are your Jordan 4 Retro SP, violet or medium ash black. And now, the moment of truth. I know a lot of people have been talking about quality control issues. I don't know if you guys can see that on the box here, but you've got the infamous pose after the shot over Craig Elo against the Cavs. I believe that was what, 89. Nice little touch there. Bam. Pull both shoes out the box first. You've got the Ma Maniere branding on the tissue paper. Nice packaging here, and there's the shoe. Let's take a look here. Make sure to stay tuned. There's a full review coming up here. I will further inspect the shoe and I will give you guys my honest opinion, but you guys are getting the first look just like I am. Some slight creasage on the toe box there, and you can see that right here, but no big deal. Got some wear there, no problem so far with glue stainage. A little spot right there. It's like I don't know, some heavy padding on the quilted insides there, on the tongue as well. I like the deconstructed collar here, and then you got the Ma Maniere button in the back here. Yeah, so before I get into more detail, like I said, full review coming up. Just wanted to give you guys an unboxing of the Jordan 4 Ma Maniere. Are these the sneaker of the year? More to come. Stay tuned. As always, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss a drop. And I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.